Shiba Inu. Is it the next crypto gold? Can it reach $1 in the next 5 years? Is it a good buy right now? We're going to be discussing about all that. Let's get into it. What's up guys, this is JC and welcome to the Wealth Engineering channel. This is where I create content so that you can learn how to make, keep, and multiply money in the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we're going to talk about DeFi cryptocurrencies, especially Shiba Inu coin, one of my favorite DeFi projects, one also that made me a lot of money last year. Question is it the beginning for Shiba Inu? Is there more profit to be made from these cryptocurrencies? Let's get into it. Well, according to some analysis out there, Shiba Inu could be the next crypto gold. Goodbye Bitcoin. Check out this article just released not that long ago. And it has a very interesting case when it comes to cryptocurrencies, especially Shiba, and the comparison with Bitcoin. It talks about the rise of Shiba Inu. We know about all that since last year. But what I find interesting is this paragraph right here when it talks about Google search trend, right? Saying that the Google search shows a lack of interest in Bitcoin. Currently, it seems that the demand for Bitcoin from retail investors has declined in the past several months. At least according to data from Google Trend, the number of queries on the world's largest search engine typically shows the behavior of small investors, which trend to arrive at the scene amid from most substantial bull runs. Absolutely. Well, the thing is last year we had a bull run, right? And most of the gains are made on the altcoin sectors. But now we're currently in a bear market right now. So Bitcoin is going down and actually a lot of altcoins are dropping too. So that's why there is a lack of interest right now. This article is not necessarily factoring the bear market that we're actually right now. But hey, the call for 1 million Bitcoins in the next 5 years is still up. And we still haven't reached 100,000K for Bitcoin yet. So there's still some room to grow. But when you compare that with Shiba Inu right now, there's a lot more gains to be made on Shiba Inu. And Motley Fools, this released also another article about Shiba saying that could it hit $1 in the next 5 years. Now, again, this is a very long article. We're not going to go to all this, but hey, we're going to be diving deeper on the part that are more interesting. And I think they had a very good case. Monthly Fool here has a new article saying that, hey, Shiba could reach $1 in the next 5 years. However, Shiba's faithful don't believe they beloved coins is done pushing higher, right? Despite being quite a ways away from even hitting a penny. Calls for SHIB to $1 per token. And how's that going to happen? Well, definitely the burns, right? The token burns are going to play a large portion of this. There's like quadrillion Shiba coins. A lot of them have been burned already, but we need a lot more to be burned before we can even begin to think about 1 cent Shiba, let alone $1 Shiba. But in order to hit $1 per token in 5 years, Shiba would need to flawlessly execute on a slew of upcoming project innovation and catalysts. So we're already talking about the coin burns as one of those catalysts, but they're saying that there may be more to come, right? As an example, the launch of a layer 2 blockchain on Shiba Inu needs to be occurring sooner than later and work flawlessly on once launched, right? That's the other things. Many projects in DeFi, once they start launching, they're being exposed to a lot of investors at the same time, but there's also scammers, people that are looking to exploit faults on a cryptocurrencies, and especially it's DeFi, the codes is out there. You can look at the codes, find the loopholes, and exploit that. Right now, when a new coin is launched, especially in the likes of Shiba, there is a lot of money diving deep into it, right? A lot of money are investing in it, sometimes in the hundreds of millions size, and Shiba is one of the top 30 coins, so of course there's going to be a lot of money into it. But that's why also it needs to work flawlessly, because there is an exploit that a hacker can take advantage of. Well, it's just going to kill the momentum and discourage other investors to dive deeper into it. There's also another point they brought on this article as well. The reason that it's so important for developers to get Shiba Inu launched is that pretty much all future projects rely on low-cost transactions. Right now, I currently have about $20,000 in the ecosystem of Shiba using Shiba Swap. Great platform, But hey, there is also one thing I did notice. There is about 76 million in total value lock. Last time I was there was over $300 million in total value lock. So you could tell that, hey, there has been a drop. A lot of people have been taking their money out of Shiba and put it somewhere else. This is definitely another symbol, another sign of the bear market in altcoins. And the money is not necessarily a good place right now, because hey, there could also be further drop, and that's going to answer my question later. Is it a good time right now to buy Shiba? Well, let's get into that. Well, first, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm currently having my pool Shiba platform. I am also doing the bury, which is staking some Shiba right here. But hey, they're losing value every time that the price is dropping. But this is a coin I'm holding for a long period of time, so I don't mind keeping it here and see what it does. I'm still up 5x despite the price crash. So this is a good thing for me, and let's get into it. So when it comes to the price of Shiba, we're looking at the weekly chart here, and for many weeks it's been going lower. Now it's been stable, right? It's been stable in this area right here, which is great, because that means it's probably find a bottom, and it's probably going to go sideways for a while. So it's going to stay within this region, going up and down. The other thing I noticed is on the relative strength index, the RSI, we're kind of like building a triangle, but on the upside we have a low, a lower low, we have a low, a higher low, and then we possibly could form another higher low. If this continues, we could slowly building some momentum on the upside, and maybe 3 months from now we might have another trigger that starts pumping the price up. I would love to see that. And then if I could see something like a cup handle on the RSI platform, if I could see a cup handle on the RSI indicator, that would be very, very, very bullish for Shiba. But for now, I would definitely expect in the next weeks that the price will be fluctuating within these two range right here. And what we definitely do not want to see, we do not want to see the bear cross right here, the death cross right here. And as of now, it seems that by the end of May, beginning of June, if this trend continues, we could definitely see a cross like that. But we would have to see what happened in the next couple of weeks. But based on the technical analysis, that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing in the next 30 to 60 days, the price will be ranging in this two line right here, and potentially a dead cross is coming, which is not a good news. However, we have more and more fundamental analysis adding to Shiba, right? Shiba is expanding their ecosystem, they're doing more. So when a coin is, the price is going lower, but the fundamental is going higher, well, it's definitely a great investment. And it's just a matter of time. Maybe in the next bull run, this crypto will pump again. But for now, I'm holding. But hey, it's saying that who accepts Shiba coins? They just launched a platform on BitPay. So now you can use BitPay to spend some Shiba, and you can convert Shiba into your cards. Like this is a MasterCard right here that you can convert your Shiba into cash. So this is more platform allowing you to buy and sell with Shiba currencies, which provide more utility for the coin. And again, more utility, more fundamentals, more strengths, more potential to burn Shiba, which will in turn increase the price per existing Shiba, right? So this is the project. This is what I see for Shiba, and in the long term. But for now, the next 3 months will be critical to see what happens. We do not want to see a dead cross. We do not want to see a break on the support line, because hey, anything like that will also symbolize more down crash for Shiba. But it also depends on what happens with Bitcoin, right? We see that Bitcoin right now is up. The prices are kind of like breaking support. So we don't want to see the same in Shiba, but there is a lagging time as well. If there is a support break on Bitcoin, potentially in the next couple of weeks, we might see definitely a challenge on this line right here. But this is what we're going to have to look forward to see what happens when the price decides to challenge this line. If we rebound back and break this one, it's total bullish area right here. But in the meantime, we're going to be dabbling between this time right here and this line right here and see where it goes. With that said, thank you for your time for today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe. Let me know how you feel in the comment section about Shiba. Are you holding some Shiba right now? When is your exit price? At what price are you planning to sell some Shiba? Let me know in the comment section below. And make sure you share this platform with other viewers as well. We're trying to grow the community, more wealth engineers out there, especially with cryptocurrencies. This is the future. This is how we beat inflation. The stock market is not doing good, but hey, hopefully the crypto market will turn you into a millionaire. With that said, we'll talk on the next video.
Hey, yeah, it's all about wealth engineering. Might be something that you're not used to. It's okay, cause I'm here to introduce you to concepts, time to grow and make big moves. All about crypto, come see. Stocks and business, yes indeed. Got the info that you need. Hosted by my homie JC. Hey.